Morning, good evening, good night, everybody. Here we are live. How you doing, Jobo?
What's up? What's up? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good night. I'm doing good, Sam. How about yourself?
I'm good, man. I'm good. We are now speculating on the question of the alt season of 2025. Is it a scam or is it going to happen?
That's a very good question. Right now, my computer showing the charts. CM, we've been talking about this, how it doesn't really matter for us, right? What we do is we trade the setups. If they come to the short side, we take shorts. If it comes to the long side, we take longs, right? So will it happen or not? I still think the answer is yes. A bit later, not right now. Okay, still do think there's higher probability that that will happen. But again, I'm not banking on it to happen because we just make money consistently. Every time we get, a trade opportunity, just like now with the shorts we had right now, beautiful shorts, amazing gains, right? We take them, we go back to our place, find out what's the next opportunity and take that one, right? CM, what do you think?
Yeah, man. The shorts were amazing. It could be done, but it was a 1 day snap, boom, into your take profits, boom. Only traders can do this kind of stuff, and capitalize on this opportunity. Uh, amazing opportunity. Now we're actually sitting in I'm sitting in mainly in cash, waiting for to see if we get some altcoins breakout on the potential Bitcoin bounce.
Yeah, that can happen. Yesterday we had someone asking a question about relative strength, and I didn't give my answer. I know you gave your answer. But the thing about relative strength is that, let's say this was a shakeout. Okay, let's say it was a shakeout, and we're going to continue up. Let's just hypothetically, okay, let's plan a scenario. Okay, if that is the case, then the coins that will actually continue to the upside, okay, in this hypothetical scenario, will be the ones that maintained the relative strength the most. And I know some people mentioned, for example, OM, how it's holding like a champ. That's very high relative strength. So if people are interested to know how we kind of, because the coins that stick out like a sore thumb, right, in relative strength wise, those are the ones that in a scenario where we go long, those are the ones you want to kind of focus on. That's my takes here. What do you think?
Yeah, man, absolutely, man, absolutely. The ones that will continue are the ones that held above its moving averages, held their market cycles, market structures, and actually look sexy, and we follow. I don't have a lot of them actually. That's why I'm not so bullish on crypto, in general, because there is not a lot of coins that are looking good after the last shakeout, you can call it. So, but yeah, this guy,
Almost none. Almost none.
yeah, yeah, and answering the only one. Yeah, of course, we took Ethereum short. Where is my ETH short? I'll show you the ETH short. Where is my ETH
By
short,
the way,
man?
shout out to Nick that he almost 99% of the time is the first one to say hi. Shout out, Nick. That's nice of you. Shout out to SRT. What's up? We're doing good. Vinia W. Wow. Morning. Good morning to you. Alt season eventually. SRT. We don't know. We don't have that crystal ball. If someone tells you that he has a crystal ball all of a sudden and says, hey, for sure, 100% we're going to go up or 100% we're going to do this, it's he's a con artist and you need to stop watching his videos because no one knows the future 100%. Okay, so altseason eventually, I think the probabilities are that we will have a continuation, but again, it's only probabilities. All right, that's it. um what about
I'm, so- I'm,
Jumpman?
I'm I'm showing them the ETH short. Do you see
Show
it?
it. Yeah, all right, not just yet. Now we see it. Yeah.
Oh, you see it. Okay. So this is the ETH short. We took a few more. We took Caspa. We took CSPR and Ton and Tia. Okay, Tia was amazing. I'll show you.
And
Uh,
Cass.
no, I'll show you Ethereum because the only one asked of Ethereum. We can see Ethereum. We spotted it breaking below the 200-day MA. For me, it's a potential short signal, and also it made a lower low. You can see short the break below 2,900. Boom! It snapped to all our order. I'll show you the Ethereum chart. Look at the Ethereum. That's actually the short, man. You can see the short is still on the chart. You can see 1, 2, 3 in the money. Boom. Max gain on this last target 22, and who knows? I still have a little short on it open. If it's gonna keep dumping, amazing. I'm gonna add to it. Easy peasy.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah. By the way, the only one is Ethereum for me. It is the epic short for me. I love Ethereum. The last bear market, I shorted it. It is like a premium of shorting Bitcoin. A lot of people shorting Bitcoin in a bear. I say, F Bitcoin. I'm gonna short Ethereum. It's gonna crash much more. It's total rubbish. And yeah, I love shorting Ethereum because it's very liquid and it's not moving. It's not having these fake phony bounces to stop you out like the other shitcoins do. So that's why I love shorting Ethereum, baby.
Yeah, I like it. Look, the only one is asking about other shorts we had, and I will happy chime in and show the shorts that we took, for example. So I will just share the chart because what I've seen and is a bit different in CM. So these are some of the shorts that we took, right? ARK was a short we took on the group, right? It created this kind of lopsided neckline that was accompanied by a pivot over here. So we took the breakdown here. I actually took the majority of the profits almost I almost nailed the bottom, which is more luck than skill, but roughly 35% on the short. That's big, right? And you can see that ARK had a big, topping, kind of stage. This was a stage 3 topping for a long time. And you will see that this is one of the narratives that I like to short weakness. Okay, I like to long strength and to short weakness usually. Okay, another one was BNB. Okay, I saw it creating weakness over here. So quite I think it was over here. All this you can see kind of horizontal support area. The breakdown, we took the short. And again, I nailed almost all of it, 20 something percent. ENS, same thing, had a short from roughly this area, something that this was really knocking down on the support. As you can see, each rally kind of hit, lower highs, as you can see, and knocked down almost at the same kind of confluence support area of all this area. So we shorted it. Another one that made roughly 30 something percent, and another one was IMAX. We shorted it here, as you can see, same thing, topping signal, dropping, knocking down on the support. Sand was over here again, lower highs, knocking down on support, right? So these are all shorts that we took in the community. I took a few of them. I didn't take all of them, right? I took CAS, ARK, BNB, ENS, right? And IMX, and some people added SAND as well. And, so CM shorted some other coins than we did. But eventually, it was an entire market breakdown. So almost any coin that you chose, almost any coin you chose that day could have made you some sort of gains, right? Some a bit more than others. For example, the CAS trade, the CAS short made me roughly 40%, roughly a bit less overall, okay? But the BNB made only 20%, but still, good gains. And I'll be honest here, like a week prior to this breakdown, we were already discussing the short side. And, Turbo, for example, Turbo, IO, and WLD were 3 shorts that I didn't pull the trigger on, that eventually went down like 50-60%, right? So people need to understand it's not only about what you choose to trigger, but how you trigger it and when you trigger it. And sometimes if you're gun shy, you can miss a beautiful opportunity. And it happens to all of us, right? But again, we nailed these shorts. Only in my Binance account, and I've shown this on my Twitter, 30% on my total account on Binance in one day. That's the most I made in a long while.
Yeah, and this is also telling you why you want to be open for shorting. This is amazing time to start learning how to short, man, because if you don't know how to short, once the bear market comes, you're not going to make money. You're not going to make money. The only way to make money in a bear market is shorting scam coins and cryptocurrencies because they fall like toilet paper from the sky. It
For
is
sure.
absolute fluff, So this is amazing market to practice shorting. And again, you need to know what you're doing. You need to know where to put your stops. You need to know how to put your take profit. You need to know how to short.
All
How
of
to
it.
Yeah, it's a strategy. You need to have a strategy of the short. Some people short resistance. Some people short the breakdown of support. Some people short, and many stuff. You have to have your strategy ready for when the bear market comes, because short selling is something that comes very fast, and they collapse very fast. And if you're not taking your profit, you actually lose some of the gains. You leave it on the table for, So make sure you study some kind of a short strategy for the bear, because at some point the bear will come.
And people need to know this because, for example, some people that didn't have, for example, take profits, they didn't take profits, right? And a few hours before the breakdown, I sent this message to, my community, and I said, reminder, always take profits during periods of weakness. Short trades are best approach with an aggressive take profit strategy. Don't hesitate, secure your gains, and consider taking 25 to 35% gain each 1 hour multiple, right? So we do these things for our community as well, Sam, because sometimes, in the heat of the moment, people tend to forget. We are there to make sure that, they get all that they need. Okay. We nurture, we don't just, teach. And I think that differentiates us from everyone else. Okay. We nurture you to make sure that you get what we're trying to preach over here. Okay, so that's important. And by the way, CM, maybe you can put as well the QR code of our question and answer, Telegram. People can you can scan the QR code in the upper left side, go to the Telegram. This is free of charge, of course. Get into it and ask questions about our programs. And we try to make this as simple process as possible, because we don't think that trading should be hard. Okay, you just need to know what you're doing, and we teach that. So you did all the QR codes one after the other without explaining exactly what they mean. So different QR codes, and just get in, do due diligence, ask questions. Our team members will happily answer, and yeah, let's keep going. So yeah.
By the way, the dude is asking, Vinay. He's not asking, he's just saying alt season start when the Fed stops with tightening. Have patience. I'll tell you what I think is going to happen, Jomo.
Wait,
What
I
I
want to
think
say something. I will tell you, I will give you the moment, but QT, all right, which means quantitative tightening, has stopped a long time ago, right? The Fed actually reduced rates, multiple times already. The Treasury, the US Treasury already printed money by issuing bonds, right, multiple times. So, Vinya, don't be a smart ass trying to say that you know fundamentals if you actually don't know them. And again, those fundamentals are way priced in, like long time ago. Priced in way long time ago. Okay, what do you want to say, CM?
Yeah, what I think is going to happen sometimes, or this month or next month, maybe, hopefully, I'm looking for it, man. We're gonna get a major crash
Okay.
in the stock market and in crypto, and then the Fed will get panicked, just like it had in COVID. It was panicking, and then it was printing again. Okay,
That's what I
so
was saying in the past few days. You're copying me now. Hey, I like it. I like it.
I don't know, man. I don't listen. I don't
You
listen
don't.
to I don't listen, man. But yeah, that's what I think. You're gonna get a meltdown. Then the Fed will print. Everybody will say, "Hey, bull market again." You're gonna have a strong rally, but it will be a bear market rally. It's not gonna be an altcoin rally. It's gonna be an altcoin rally, but it's not gonna be a proper alt season that people want. So you're gonna get a bear rally, and then they're gonna take profit, and then you're gonna wreck. So this year, I believe it's gonna be traders' year. The hodlers are done, smoked, and they already been smoked in 2024. The only hodlers that did money in 2024 are Bitcoin hodlers, or maybe OM hodlers. Like a few,
They got lucky. They
yeah,
got
or
lucky, the one
maybe
holders.
XRP hodlers got their moment in the sunshine. But XRP will
But they
go
didn't
low.
sell. They don't sell.
They don't
They
sell.
don't sell. Diamond hands, they don't sell. So
Diamond hand, diamond. We're gonna cover XRP. We probably later, man. We need to talk about XRP.
for
But yeah,
sure.
yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Look, I agree with that. I've been talking about this for a couple of weeks now, how I think that Trump is going to create a mini financial crisis to put the Fed on their back heels so they will cooperate with him to print more money for sure. Yeah.
INJ.
INJ
INJ was my darling and also Jomo darling in 2023 when it
got
made
smoked.
a VCP. Let's take a quick look on it. Just take a quick look on it. It is smoked. it is wrecked, man. You see, this is where we liked INJ. Okay, I'll show you
Yeah,
on the daily chart. We buy bull market. We buy bullish assets. You can see that was your rally in 2023. I missed completely on it. Then it went sideways here. Boom, held above the 50 and the 200 AMA. We smoked this rally. We made
for
filthy
sure.
money on this
Filthy
rally.
money.
Filthy money. Since then, we dropped it. We sold it all, obviously. And since then, we are out of INJ. We're out of INJ.
Haven't traded it for over a year for sure.
Yeah, since March 2024, from the higher high fake out, that it is done. And look, it just had another death cross here. You had an attempt to do a golden cross, and now you have another death cross. That's so bad, man. That's
I
so bad.
know.
So for sir, just to tell you, Usman Shukat, make sure you
Let
join
me
the community. Make sure you join the community because if you want, if you hold in INJ, if you trade in INJ, probably long in it or buying dips on it, believing it's gonna reverse. This is a big mistake because you're buying into a downtrend. You're buying into a downtrend, and it's not gonna be over. It's not gonna be good, man. It's not a good strategy to buy downtrend.
For sure, for sure. Look, and this is, my signals for the community. You can see in the upper, it says October 23. So this is October 23rd, 2023, Jomo Super Performer. Just to make sure that you know that this is, the stamp of me. You can see that this was the trade that we took in our community above the $10. Some take profits, amazing gains, left a runner. And then, all right, later in November, you can see November 29th, right? A month later, after we had all this, 80% move, kept a runner, then it based again, okay? And we actually added here, added a breakout, and then of course it went all the way to $50, okay? So, this is not something we can falsify. This is from the group, this is from the community. These are trades that we took, okay, on INJ back in the past. But as CM said, okay, and right now it just doesn't look constructive. This is you don't buy coins just for the sake of buying it, okay? Because you know what people do, CM, and this is a major fallacy, okay? Oh, INJ was $50 and now it's $14, so it's cheap, right? It's cheap. It's a supermarket mentality. It's like when you go to the supermarket and you see, toilet papers at the price, right? Half the price. You will load up, you'll buy like 2 or 3 because you use toilet papers. And if you buy half price, that's good, right? That's so this supermarket mentality that people have towards trading is got to stop. You need to stop thinking like the stock market or the crypto market is the supermarket, right? The supermarket is the groceries, and the crypto market is where you make money. Don't think of it like a supermarket. That mentality, you need to wipe it off and think differently. You want to buy strength, you want a short weakness, right? And you need to understand what you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, Mr. Usman, right, you just need to join our programs, and we'll make it simple for you, okay? We'll give you all the trades to make sure that you can follow how we do it. We make it as simple as possible, as you've seen by the INJ trades that I've shared with my community. Very simple: when to buy, when to sell, when to take profits. And of course, we'll teach you this over time, how to be like what we do, so you can actually have a skill set, right, CM?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. By the way, Usman, instead of stop losing money, just buy yourself a lifetime membership. You could have been using this free K to buy a lifetime membership with us, man. Will change your life completely. You're gonna become the best trader you can ever be. Instead, just a hodler buying nonsense based on YouTubers that don't know nothing about trading, man. And you're gonna lose all your money. You're gonna get yourself wiped out. Only if you will educate yourself, you will master the market. If you're not, the market will smoke you, man. The markets are wiser than most people, than all people, actually.
Oh, they're all people. Oh, they're smarter than all
Markets are
people.
wiser than all people. If you
You
don't
can't
know,
outsmart the market. You can't.
you
You
can't.
can't outsmart the
You
market.
can. You
That's why
can.
we don't think we're overly smart, me and you. We are humble enough to let the market guide us. We let the market guide us. Okay, we don't try to predict, to fight the market. No, we let the market guide us. And it's sad to see something like Usman, because his next comment is something that we can talk about. He says, "I want to recover my loss." What to do, he's asking, right? That's the next comment. This is classic. This is a classic behavior of people that have a loss, and then the only thing they have in mind is how I will recover this. Usman, that is not the correct mindset. Not the correct mindset whatsoever. You don't need to recover anything. You had a loss. That's it. You step back, let it sink in. You had a small loss, and then you need to strategize what you do next. It's just part of being a trader to have losses every now and then. Okay, so this is the people want to compensate, right? The revenge trading, right? To want to revenge trade will actually make you lose more money. All right, and the way you said it, I want to recover my loss. That means you want to revenge trade. Just stop trading right now. Stop right now. Give it a week until you get back. Right, and if you instead of losing $3,000 and not learning anything, you should join our membership and actually learn something because it's cheaper. Okay, so you either lose money in the markets as a tuition or you invest in yourself from people that teach you. Okay, and that's what we're trying to do. So Usman, I'm sorry to hear what's happening to you, but this is a good lesson for you and for everyone else here. Revenge trading is bad, and losses are just part of the game. Okay, that's basically it. What do you think, CM?
Yeah, man, absolutely, man. I think we should wrap it up soon, man. We have some
Yeah.
stuff. You wanna address any other question, or that's good for you?
Well, if we don't have time, we can
By the way,
leave it for
let me
tomorrow.
just make a comment for Nick, because
Yeah.
Nick is our daddy, man. Yeah, Alfium is good, man. But I tell you, I don't like it so much because when I short, I look for things that have liquidity, and Alfium don't have a lot of liquidity on its futures on Mexi from the last time I tried to long it, back in the days. Maybe things have changed. So for me, it's not such a good short because I'm looking for more liquidity, and I want to put big money in short, and and I don't want to buy short positions, on $1,000, blocks. It's not my cup of tea. But yeah, man, if you made money, cheers for you, man.
Yeah, two more things. We have here Russ GR asking a question. He says, I'm writing interesting comments in your email address because very long text, so he doesn't want to put it here. Hey, you see the QR code in the upper left side? You can scan it, send us the questions on the Telegram, and we will gladly answer it there. So you can scan that now. Russ, this is for you. Okay. Another thing I want to address, okay, is that John, all right, Gloven, saying that after the shorts that we took, he paid for a lifetime membership. It's already riding it free of charge because he made all that money back only from the shorts. This is exactly the thing, guys, all right? You will eventually make the money back from working with us because we teach you how to make money. So the initial investment that might seem high is actually nothing in comparison to the gains that you will have in the long term while you will learn how to do the things that we do. And as you can see, John over here is saying this exact thing. Oh yeah, Mr. CM is showboating his euros.
John, this is for John, man.
Oh, it's for John. It's for John. It's for John. You are wishing him. You're wishing him. Good luck. By the way, that wallet is a wallet I bought CM for a birthday. So
Holy shit! Don't tell them.
don't tell them that. It's
Yeah,
okay to be
man.
friends, CM. No worries. Yeah, and last thing, okay, I'm gonna share this again. I'm gonna share this again and put on the banner of our program. Okay, I'm gonna put the banner of the program. Um, yeah. If you want to make sure that you don't miss, okay, and allow me to share one last time. I have this in front of me, so I'm going to show this again. If you don't want to miss trades like this that we made on OM, right? Beautiful trades on the right timing, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trades, right? And this is just and now two trades out of hundreds of trades that we take over the year that make money. If you don't want to miss out on these types of trades, you need to scan the QR code in the bottom and sign to our memberships. Give us a test. You can test us for a month, 3 months, and then go for the lifetime. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Okay, but we are here to make sure that you actually get taught how to do things while making money by following us for educational purposes, to make sure that you understand what we do. Okay, so scan the QR code, go to our website, choose 1 month, 3 months, whatever you want to, and start the journey of actually learning how to take consistent profits out of the market. Yeah, I think
By
that's
the
good.
way,
Yeah,
if you want to test that really 3 months minimum, because we trade with the market, you
it's
can
true.
join now, for example, for a month, and the market will be rubbish and there will be no profitable trades, and you will be, hey, these guys don't know what they're doing. No, man, it's the market and your timing, okay? So if you join in 3 months, that will for sure give you the opportunity to take a very
For sure.
strong,
For
profitable
sure.
trade. Okay,
Yeah,
so
for sure.
if you're serious, 3 months, because we're looking for serious people, we want to teach people the art of trading crypto, and that's what we want. We don't want you to join for 1 month and then stay the same guy that you joined before. We want to transform you to a
Yeah,
crypto trader. We want to heal you from the disease of the
it takes.
YouTubers and all the false nonsense and beliefs they put in your brain. No, 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 no,
Yeah.
no.
No, the
You come to
statistics
us.
is that people that sign up for 3 months or more, they actually learn something. Where people that sign up for a month, they are not committed, right? The
The,
1 month
the
people are usually
statistics the
not
statistics
committed.
are also the statistics from my membership, man. If they join for 3 months, they probably gonna stay for a year,
Yeah,
because during the 3 months they're gonna learn how to short, they're gonna learn how to buy breakouts trades, and they're gonna nail a mega trade for sure. So they're
yeah.
gonna stay for a long time, minimum. Okay,
Exactly.
minimum.
Exactly. Hey, and Phoenix is saying something here we need to address. The last one. He's saying that if he joins, our course and our program, how would we help you make money, right? He has zero knowledge in crypto trading. Look, Phoenix, we teach you, we do a few things, right? We take you holistically and we give you an onboarding process. First of all, you get in, you have a call with us, me or CM, depends which tier you take, okay? And we understand where you are right now. If you start from zero, we're going to take you from the initial courses, how to view charts, how to view the graphs, how to understand them, how to understand the market, right? All those things that seem complex, we're going to make it as simple as we can for you. And while you do that, we share our own trades for those educational purpose for you to follow and see what we do in real time. So what happens if you combine this program, right, where you take it from newbie to pro, let's call it, okay, and you combine it for 3 months, you will see that after 3 months you actually gained a skill set, and then it's up to you, right, to repeat it with us, of course, and to make money. Okay, if you learn and you put the time and effort, eventually the resilience will pay off. Okay, that's 100%. The resilience pays off, right? Doesn't matter if it takes a month, 3 months, a year, a few years. And what we do here is cut the learning curve, right? If me and CM, it took us a couple of years to get to consistency, we try to cut that learning curve for you to a few months, just because we teach you and we mentor you. Okay, so that's it. He's asking how much capital should I have to start crypto trading. That whatever capital you have, that's your starting point. You need to choose for yourself. That you need to put money that you feel comfortable putting, not something that will endanger your lifestyle, right? If you're a millionaire, you can put more money. If you're just student, you need to put less money. Whatever you choose, just put anything that you feel that won't change your lifestyle, because you're learning. You're going to be learning in the beginning. So that's
5K.
it.
I would start I would start with 2, 3, 5K just for the trading account. And then once you get it going, boom, add the big kahuna, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. That's good. If he has less, then I had students starting with $500. Okay, I had students that invested more actually in the program than in the markets, but they learned how to do it, and after they gained confidence, they were able to put more money. Okay, so that's the thing. And Russ is asking, what is the address to our Telegram? Just scan the QR code in the upper left side. Okay, just scan it. And if you can scan, let me just put it, in over here as a link, just to make sure, maybe people don't know how to scan the QR code. So let me put the invite link here. Just one moment. Yeah, CM, please.
By the way, while you're putting it, guys,
I
if
can
you
share
want
it to you only. You need to put it. Just
all
put
right.
this one.
Oh shit!
Because
one
I
second.
can't. It's in the private chat I sent you. You see it?
Yeah. I'm posting it. Take me time, man.
Oh no, but you had CCC in the beginning. Just post the link without the beginning CCC. It's a raw. Exactly. This is the link to our Telegram. If you can't scan the QR code, join this and you will go through our Telegram, and it will ask you to write anything as a captcha. So please write. If not, you'll get kicked out because we don't accept bots. CM, you wanted to say something?
Yeah. By the way, if you want to join with Pay with Crypto, you have my email. All over the place, all over my you have my email. It's also on the pinned comment and on the under the video comment. You can email me if you want to pay crypto. It will save you all the app fees. And yeah, man.
Exactly. All right, everyone. I think that was good for today. Probably see you guys tomorrow. Until next time.